I want to welcome everybody here. It's great to have you all here. And like Tommy, I'm not a great public speaker.
Unlike.
So as I look around the room tonight, I couldn't feel more warmth up here in the great white north than I do right now at this moment. Here we are celebrating Kat and Clay's wedding, where they met, where Clay's grandparents met and were married, and now where your marriage begins the next chapter. It isn't lost on me how very lucky I am to be standing here with all of you, how very fortunate I am to be able to witness my son marry the perfect girl. Yeah. And how happy I am knowing that they have all of you surrounding them tonight and always. So I have a little story to tell about Clay. It shouldn't take that long. So when Clay was little, he took after the old man. He loved using tools. He would figure out how everything worked. He rode unicycles. He built go-karts. And for some reason, he started collecting keys. Some he got from barns in his grandparents' farm. Some he probably got from other people's houses. But he would take them wherever he went, and he called them his important keys. We didn't know if we had a future cat burglar on our hands or what to think about it, but they were important to him, and that's all that mattered. I found those keys last year in my shop, and it made me think, maybe he was onto something all those years ago. Maybe that little white-haired kid was wise beyond his years. Maybe he was collecting those keys like he's collected all the people around him. He had the keys to a complete life. And you can open that up.
Wow. My important keys!
That's important keys now. I've labeled some of those. So the important keys, read a couple of those labels there.
Family, adventure, and friends.
And the most important key is still in the box.
I might as well pull that.
The most important key is
Cat's heart.
Sweet Sam.
Clay and Kat, I'm returning them to you in hopes that you keep them with you to unlock your future together. In hopes that you might unlock new ways to enjoy life together, and most importantly, to always be open to add more keys. Clayton, I've been so darn lucky to be your dad. It's been an honor to watch your life unfold and for you to grow into a man I am so very proud of. Tomorrow I'll watch you marry Kat. Carry Kat. And I can guarantee you I'll cry just like I am right now. And life will be perfect just like the two of you. So I'd like to propose a toast to Clay and Kat. Every day is an opportunity to build something beautiful and lasting. Together I know that your love is watertight and there will always be wind in your sails. Know that your friends and family are with you all the way, And though the sailing may not always be smooth, it will always be worth it. Cheers.
Cheers. That was beautiful. Cheers. Oh my God. Cheers, friends. Cheers.
I think I'm going to be doing that.
Look at them. And the best one.
Don't forget the best one.
At least be halfway prepared.
Thank you guys for all being up here. I mean, you guys are really the most important people to us. Not that everybody else isn't important, but really you guys are
the best.
it. I'm horrible with words, but again, thank you for being up here. I know it's not the easiest place to be, especially in the winter, but we love you and
Thanks for coming all
Thank
this
you.
way.
Yeah.
We love you.
And cheers, man. And the food, please help yourself. Take a seat, enjoy some great tacos.
Cheers.
Cheers.